Alright, what's going on, guys? My name is AJ, and this is the Fun Gaming channel. This channel is made out of my friend Nathaniel and my friend Matt, and we're just going to post some funny gaming videos of Halo, COD, maybe Destiny, I don't know, just any games, maybe GTA. And yeah, we're just gonna start doing that. We might record some more videos tomorrow. I might release another one right now. And yeah, so basically I want to talk about what this channel is really going to be about. First of all, this is not going to be a just straight up boring gaming channel talking about the newest gaming news. I think there's already a ton of those out already, and I really do want to keep it a little bit fresh over here. We really want to be as entertaining as possible. So if you really do want to leave any comments in the comment section, obviously, if you want to do that, it's fine. If you don't want to do that, it's okay. But we'd like all the feedback we can get. And yeah, so hopefully, like, the quality, it should be in HD, 60 FPS. Now, if you don't want to watch just Call of Duty, Halo, and just like a couple games, also you could tell us what games you want to play. And if you want us to live stream, that would be pretty cool. I can get that set up with my new Elgato. I'm not sponsored. I don't even know why you would think I'm sponsored. I don't even have any subs, but so we are thinking about doing maybe some game modes in Halo and COD, like maybe like hide and seek, Monster Jam, some other stuff that we have made that are really fun and entertaining that we would like. So yeah, like, there's not a lot of stuff to talk about. We just wanted to tell you. You will meet Matt and Nathaniel probably in the next video, but I just wanted to, cause I made this gameplay, and wow, that was a stupid move I just did. And as you see, I'm not really that good, like, at just playing games, but like, I think that us three were really a entertaining group, and I think this is a good idea for us to do. And even if we don't even, if we had 10 subs, we wouldn't care. We would enjoy every second of doing all of this, and that's why we're all really excited to just do this and play. Plus, we're excited to have maybe 5 viewers watching us. So that's, like, I keep saying so and stuff because there's not like too much to talk about. We do not want to be like channels like T Martin, or maybe, like, I don't know, if Woody's Game Tag doesn't really even he doesn't even upload that much anymore. That just give COD news and stuff. I mean, yeah, they're fun, but like, we'd rather have live commentaries. Like, and I'm repeating myself again and again, and you guys know, you know what I mean by saying, like, we don't want to be a T Martin channel, and like, I think I'm getting the point across. But this is going to be really fun. It's going to be a nice experience. Hopefully you guys can subscribe if anybody sees this video at all. As you see, that's me. Wow. Okay, yeah, I think I was AFK at this time. But I think that we are going to do a lot of solo stuff too, not just the three of us. Like, this video, like, this is just me. We might just have, like, because my other friend Nathaniel, he has a Elgato too, so he might post something, or he might post something on his channel, which he hasn't made yet, but he's thinking about it. And yeah, so I think I'm actually gonna edit right now a gameplay of us playing some Halo minigame for Halo. So yeah, hopefully you guys like Halo. I mean, like I'm a Call of Duty player, and I never really liked Halo until I found the minigame aspect. But now I really like it a lot. So I think this is the end of the commentary. I think I'm done getting everything out of my chest, even though I didn't really have to let anything out. It's not like, yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna stop. I'll see you guys later. My name's AJ, and peace out.